is Kyle Moffitt. I'm a private equity associate director at Hancock Natural Resource Group here in the U.S. And I got to know Kach and Renata about a year ago as they were starting their journey. And really the two things that really stood out for me were, one, the level of proactivity that they had of getting things done and being organized. And I remember they had everything figured out, from the business plan and the financials and the operations and everything. And that was really an incredible thing for me, more so than in other entrepreneurs I've worked with. And then on the other hand, the humbleness to identify areas of weaknesses and really aggressively pursue ways of filling in those gaps. That was amazing for me. And with regards to the opportunity, I think that the company is going to be really successful, especially as most companies in the sector are focused on the product, but that gets old, and they are focusing on the consumer and the person who actually is going to consume that product. And that allows you to get feedback so much faster, to be closer to the trends, and that's a capability that they bring and that most companies don't bring. For me, that's one of the key reasons why they're going to be successful.
Hello, I am Renata, and we are KYF, Know Your Food. KYF is a plant-based fast food alternative for kids 9 through 17 that markets directly to the kids and not just the parents. We all know of the implications of eating meat today as it relates to our environment, animal life, and our own health. If you're a parent like us, you know we're facing 3 issues when it comes to the way our kids eat today. Number 1, we want our kids to eat healthier foods willingly. Number 2, we want these healthier foods to be safer and convenient so that our kids can prepare and clean up after themselves. And number 3, they're kids, and all they want to eat are the fun, tasty, and fast foods that they know and love. Since COVID, the sales of meat alternatives has gone up by 275%. The sales of frozen foods and the delivery of groceries has also been up by 50%, and at least 1/3 of this growth is expected to remain even after COVID. And that's where we come in. We are launching KYF with a meat alternative burger that both kids and parents will love to eat. We'll follow up with nuggets, meatballs, sliders, and hot dogs that are also pea protein based and frozen to oven. And it's a huge market. $5 billion in plant-based food sales were recorded in 2018, showing a 40% growth year over year. We expect our business opportunity to be 2% in 3 to 5 years for a revenue target of $80 million. There are other big players in the market, but we all know this is not a winner-take-all. We stand out in 3 ways. Firstly, we are a marketing-first company, and our No Animals Here message is getting both kids and parents to engage with our brand and products, knowing that it's better for you. Secondly, we are the only brand in the market targeting tweens and teens, whereas everyone else is focused either on toddlers or on parents. And thirdly, we will reward each kid for every animal they save with cyber coins, gamifying their learning experience as they shift their habits into better ones. We are already measuring the success of our traction through our focus groups, social media, and tasting events. We'll start getting pre-orders soon, as our products will be ready to launch in March. Our business model is direct-to-consumer sales, first with home delivery and subscriptions, before we roll into retail sales in New York and LA first, and then we'll roll out into the rest of the country and internationally. We'll also increase our distribution through partnerships with existing restaurant chains, food trucks, and vending machines at strategic locations. We have invested $20,000 to develop our product and are investing the equivalent of $700,000 in marketing to build our brand and e-commerce traffic. We are raising $2.3 million in 2 phases. Phase 1, $300,000 in pre-seed. We'll go to finalize product and e-commerce channel to produce our first round of DTC product and to line up retail. Phase 2, $2 million of our seed round is going towards the production of our first round of retail product, first for New York and then LA. We're using Safe Notes with a 20% discount to process these early investments. And we're the perfect team to make this all happen. My co-founder Katia Dodari and I are both entrepreneurs, marketing experts, and moms. We have been building brands and audiences for companies of all sizes, from McDonald's to Pepsi, from Microsoft to Warner Brothers, for many years. We own our own agencies and know how to market to parents and kids like no one else does. To wrap it up, we have reframed the problem. Instead of getting our kids to eat healthier foods, we're making the foods our kids want to eat healthier. What I ask of you is to get in touch with me after this so that we can continue this conversation. Let's make a better future for our environment, our animals, and our kids together. Thank you.